Now, I'm arguing with myself what to do next. We can follow dog meat, or we can try go to the castle down here. Should be a pretty fun fight. You know what? We ain't gonna do our story mission right now. Let's say it real fast. Just in case. Again, like to crash up in this area, so just want to save before I go. I don't know why it crashes. I have no idea. Maybe I need to re-download it. Maybe it's some mod that I don't got. I don't know. But it crashes in this area. Maybe I should sit down. It didn't used to do it, so I know it's probably a mod, but at least not as often. It was like one little small area it did it in. Adhesive is not rare. I don't know why I said that. I guess if you don't make it, it can be. You're not even. There he go. We're not gonna fight him though. It'll take quite a bit of bullets to kill him. He ain't got bullets to spare. I'm not too sure what to use my point. Let's just leave it, let it be for it. What we got to do? We need to go south. We're just gonna run. Very real quick. I'm heading south. Shit! Fuck. That scared the shit out of me. Help me out, bro. It. Not gonna lie. That spooked me there, guys. Wow. That was spooky. That was real spooky. I got a hunting rifle. Got a sniping rifle. I don't need it. keep running down. Save. Now it's time to just get Brady's. Make it to the water, we'll be fine. I think. Fuck! Fucked up. I'm a little low to do this. Low level 16. Well, I think I feel like I'm a low level doing this. Thinking about just hopping in the water. You know what? No. Let me hop in the water right here. Fucking car blew me up. Stay quick. I heard something beeping. I just take out running when I hear stuff beeping. Oh, we're gonna put on some red X here. I'd be super scared to do stuff like this if it weren't for the fact that it just ain't no monsters in the water. They definitely should be, considering it definitely should be. Hate it. Nice.
Everyone's here, General. There it is.
Red man?
Pretty impressive, huh? Its real name is Fort Independence, but the Minutemen always just called it the castle. Now you can see why I wanted to take it back.
Definitely. For 600 years old, it's in pretty good shape.
That's right. They don't make them like they used to. We take this place back, people will know we mean business. Our primary objective is to clear the courtyard. That's where we should see the most opposition. The wall on this side is the most exposed. But if we circle around south, we could also reach the main gate.
What are we waiting for? Let's just get in there and shoot those lobsters.
No. If we split up, we can flank them from both sides. It'll be like shooting fish in a barrel.
Why not let them come to us? We set up a firing line on this side, and you can draw them out.
Well, General, what do you think?
Hit them from both
Let's hit 'em
sides.
from both sides.
We'll split up, and you can join whichever side you think needs the extra support. All right, people. You heard the General. Let's move out. Try not to draw their attention until we're in position.
So it was a big disappointment when the local drunks found out that thing's empty. It's been a long time since the Minutemen lost this place. years haven't been good to you.
Where we going, Garth?
Hi.
What's up? Change of plans?
No.
All right. Head out when you're ready, and we'll get in.
Oh. Wow. I don't think they even did that before. Broke a shield off
I can carry something if you need me to.
the weapon is really powerful. Weapon I got.
I wonder if this is normal for other tourists. Hear that? Was that you?
Looks like they've been nesting. We're gonna have to take out these eggs, or they'll be back before we know it.
Lurks like to hold up inside old buildings, so the walls are probably full of them.
Sure looks that way. Here's how we're gonna play this. You hold here in the courtyard and take care of any eggs you find. The general and I will clear the walls.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this, General.
Blue, we're not al- I see you!
That was all of them. Where are they? Let's get this over with. Good shoot.
Got that.
Fire.
That was better than expected.
Flame few. You know what? We find a flame of pipe, I'm gonna get it too.
I guess you've got your reasons, but that just looks like junk to me.
Only one missile? Missile. Better than the one I got. See what's on it. Well, one I got is 100% basic, so.
What the hell was that?
Make me the fat man.
Gone. Just like that.
Get the fat man out. I hit him. Fat man it is. And it's double as strong, it's twice as strong as it usually is. Do the most. Did I miss? What the hell happened? Did I miss?
I've got this one.
Got him. Woo. Took him out. There we go.
Hey,
All right.
Oh, my fat man. And he's missing one.
Good work, people.
Yeah, it's exactly like mine.
The general and I are gonna have a look at the radio, see what shape it's in. The rest of you,
I got a pipe
clear out
rifle on
any
it.
remaining Mirelurks or eggs you find.
Go to it, glitches. Oh, what radio transmitter?
Let's go see if there's anything left of the old transmitter.
Got enough power to do it. Need 2 of these. Make 3.
Take that thing down. Well, guess it could be worse. See what you can do with it. I'm gonna go see what else is left around this old place.
Oh. Good shot, Preston Garden. Set that shit on fire. Alright, so we done our due diligence here. Explode it for them. Work.
Nice being on the move again. Fewer paper cuts than back home.
Vodka. Listen. Next on the menu, right? We're gonna follow Dalton, I guess. Want to turn thing quick?
It's 5 a.m. This is Radio Freedom, voice of the Minutemen. Attention, Minutemen. We've just got word that a settlement is in trouble. Anyone within range,
We
please
really did
respond.
it. I've been watching the Minutemen fall to pieces for so long, Now we've got to pay off on what we've started. Bring the whole Commonwealth together and make it last this time. So, back to business. But with Radio Freedom up and running, we can broadcast alerts to you anywhere, anytime. I'll let you know if I hear of any settlements that need our help. In the meantime, make sure to offer help to anyone that needs it. That can only help our cause.
Alright. He leveled up too. So let's see if we can put a point in. Get another point in critical banker. Better critical. We'll say the other 2 points right now. Anyway, we're doing pretty good. Gonna hit on City. Oh, I just realized something. Something fairly important. Excuse me. Maybe I need more bullets. So what we're gonna have to do, since we fought, we gotta go back to Sanctuary, load the water, get on our charisma suit, whatever. I wanted to get the big boy, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to afford it. Maybe at some point in the game, not nowhere near now. Yeah. Get on the that. Get up, whatever we're not using. Or that. 109. Where'd it go? Where the son of a bitch go? Should be at the bottom of the list. Hold on. There you go. Alright. We got water. Teleport to Diamond City. Diamond City. We're gonna focus on the story, guys. We wanna do the story. I'm gonna do sad things like that here once in a while, but we're gonna focus on the story. I don't know who I'm siding with. Right, it's nighttime, so what we're gonna do right here. Four hours. Okay. Radiation storm.
Hey, how about I introduce you to my confidential informant? Oh, Takahashi, thank you for meeting me here.
great insurance against me.
No,
I've got a few minutes.
Something.
Eight rounds and 44 rounds. I don't know why I keep hoping. In a way. Got a knife.
Sorry, Blue. The jig is up.
I should buy some muscle stuff.
Give me everything. Level eyes.
You know what?
Hey, Arturo.
You need protection. Everyone does.
Let's see what you got.
Self-defense.
In the book, you know, I ain't money. Alright. So we're just gonna leave this place. We got enough in our spring free to be alright.